Hey, what up? I'm back. So we're going to talk about the AB function here, right? Because in the last video, I didn't know what this is. I finally understand what it is. I don't think I'd use it, but this is not about me. It's about educating you, right? So let's go to this preset here, right? And I'm going to hold A and B down. Now B, I could set up some other things with this. So it's basically each preset has two states inside of the preset. So you have state A, state B, right? So in state A, it's dry. In state B, as I tap the button, oh, I forgot B is on this side. Pay attention to that. So when you hold this button down, you're in the AB mode. If I press this button here, I'm on B. So let's add some effects here. Let's say reverb. It's gone there. Reverb. Let's add reverb here. And then let's go back to the preset. Let's say I just got harmony, reverb, and let's just slap a bunch of chorus on it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. With some deep chorus. We're back in the preset. So we got all that going on. But then when I go there, I'm out. We're back here. And I can leave that setting there. And it's still gonna. So that's cool. If you wanna, I can see the point of that. I can see the point of that. Okay, if I want to come out of that, I hold that button down to come out of that mode, and I can go do my presets like this. See, I like it like this. So in this case, let's say I got a delay. If I want to A-B it, hold down B, go to B. All right, bring that back, and then maybe add some reverb. Hey, 1, 2. All right, so that's B, but that's A. B, A. Hold on, make sure I'm not tripping. That's A. B, A, B, A. So that's good. That's letting us know what's going on with that preset, because notice how it doesn't have individual settings, but if I were to say nothing here and then boom, see that? So A and B represents turning these on and off here. These three blocks of effect: auto-tune, harmony, and then the 5 effects right there. But it does not change the internal configuration of all of these between A and B. That does not get changed between A and B. If you want to change that, come out of that mode and do it here, right? If you want to change those configurations quickly, there. But I guess if you want to turn certain effects on and off, like for instance, we're dry here. I'll hold down A and B. Let's say I just want those two lit right here. Go to B. Maybe I just want those two activated. Look at that. Or let's do that and do that. If I want to come out of it, hold down that button and we're back. All right. And it also goes to say that you do have to save that. When you do that A and B thing, whatever changes you got going on between A and B, you have to then save that to the preset again, to the memory, because if you don't do that, you lose that. So I can see how that could be pretty cool, but me personally, I like having individual stuff on presets so I can just quickly, get to one I want to get to very quickly. Get to one I want to very quickly and do that. So that's A and B explained on the Headrush VX5.